9 reasons to start eating peanut butter. We love peanut butter as kids, but have we underestimated its health benefits as adults? Many people simply adore peanut butter. Its sweet, savory, and creamy flavor adds taste to whatever you spread it on. It is one of life's simple pleasures, and if you agree, you would be delighted to learn that your body loves it as much as your taste buds. Some avoid its consumption out of the concern that it is high in fat. But today we decided to convince them to consider this decision. In fact, peanut butter may provide a surprising number of benefits as it is full of vitamins, minerals that can improve health. Here are 9 reasons why you should incorporate it into your daily diet. Number 1, blood pressure control. Peanut butter, apart from fiber and protein, is also rich in magnesium and potassium, and all of them can help you to keep your blood pressure under control. Number 2, lower diabetes risk. A 2002 Harvard study has shown that women who consume nuts and peanut butter on regular basis had a lower risk for developing type 2 diabetes than those who didn't. Number 3, weight loss. Many times people avoid peanut butter because they think the high amount of fat will cause weight gain. In fact, it is just the opposite. It can actually help losing weight. It is great source of protein containing 8 grams in just 2 tablespoons. It is also a source of nearly 2 grams of fiber and also 12 grams of healthy fat. This will make you control your hunger and late night craving. Plus, it causes a very low rise in blood sugar as it is also very low in carbohydrates. This is great for people with type 2 diabetes. Number 4, brain health. Peanut butter can help stimulate brain activity and memory since it contains various vitamins and minerals include vitamin E, zinc, magnesium and niacin. These vitamins are helpful in the prevention of Alzheimer's disease and age-related cognitive decline. Number 5, antioxidant. Peanut butter is high in antioxidant too, including P, fumaric acid, which has been found to reduce arthritis in animal studies. Actually, peanuts have as many antioxidants as many fruits. Number 6, lower breast cancer risk. In a 2013 research study that followed 9,000 women from 1996 to 2010, it was discovered that the risk for developing breast cancer is nearly 40% lower in those who consume butter 3 days per week. In fact, researchers found out that eating peanut butter decreased the participants' risk of being breast disease. Putting other benefits aside, preteen and teenage girls should consume peanut butter if they are not allergic. Just a couple of tablespoons weekly could decrease the risk of breast cancer later in life. Number 7, muscle recovery. Peanut butter is abundant in protein, which can help your muscle recover from a strenuous workout. The International Society of Sport Nutrition advises people to consume high-quality protein in a 2-hour range after a workout. Number 8, good during pregnancy. Due to the high folate content, peanut butter helps in reducing the risk of neural tube defect in the newborn. Therefore, pregnant women who are not allergic to peanut butter should seriously consider consuming peanut butter regularly. Number 9. Improved sleep. Peanut butter is a source of tryptophan, which increases the level of melatonin, the sleep hormone, and serotonin, the hormone for happiness. This can calm you down and help you get a good night's sleep. To sum up, the health benefits of peanut butter are numerous. Yet, as with all things in life, you should consume it in moderate amount. It is also critical to note that you should avoid brands that add a lot of extra ingredients like sugar, salt, and hydrogenated oil. To reap all its benefits, enjoy a couple of tablespoons of peanut butter a day, a few days per week, and enjoy the enriched taste of your healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.